channel. Today we're going to see about the first Jurassic dinosaur ever found, Allosaurus. In the previous episode, we saw about dinosaurs which lives in the Cretaceous period. But now we're going to see about the first Jurassic dinosaur, Allosaurus. This is Allosaurus. This is a carnivore and it has 3 claws. It lived in the late Jurassic period between 163.5 to 89.3 million years ago. The Allosaurus fossils were discovered in the United States of America. What does it feed on? It hunts large plant-eating dinosaurs like Stegosaurus and Camptosaurus. Despite its large skull, Allosaurus had a bite that was weaker than alligators, lions, and leopards. Because of this, some believe the dinosaur may have used its skull as a hatchet, slamming its upper jaws into its prey and then tearing out flesh with its slashing teeth. It measured 27 feet in length, 11 feet in height, and just weighed 1 ton. This is where Allosaurus lived. Thanks. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button.
Thanks for watching this video.
Yes. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.